Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can just add products from Alibaba to your Shopify store. So to do that, you have to just open here your Shopify and log in with the account. So when you will log in, you can see the dashboard. So from here, you have to just click here on apps as you can see. So here we have to search as Alibaba and hit enter. So here we can see Alibaba drop shipping official. I have to click on this. So here you can see Alibaba official. We have Alibaba ratings is low because it's not delivered the product up to mark. So when you will click on add app, so as you can see I will click on add app. So it will be connected to my Shopify store. So to install the app, first you have to make the ID in Alibaba. So you make the So you have to open here as Alibaba or the AliExpress. Alibaba group you can just open. Just go to Alibaba group. So here you have to sign in with the same account that you have signed in here. Okay. So actually Alibaba is it's actually known as AliExpress now. So to click on AliExpress, so you have to just come here and you have to register the account and link with here. So when you will click on install button, it will install the app and ask for the ID password. So the ID password that you have made here or registered here, that will put here. So I have made the account, so I will just log out from this account. So as you can see, so I have to just click on login. So here I have to just see which account I want to log in. So I want to log into this account. I have to go back, not this account. So you can just go here to switch account. So as you can see, we have to just do I'm logging with my account to my store. Now it's been inactive because I've not purchased the subscription because of that. Yes, I want to just select the plan. Because of that it's not. So let me just log out and make the new ID. So as you can see, so we can just click on login. Just by login we can just convert the ID to logout. So we can just log in, just click on add account. So here we have to just put our mail and just continue with the mail. So here the password. So it's login as you can see. So we have to follow the same step. First we have to click on our app store and then we have to add the app Alibaba in our apps option. So Alibaba, just you can see. So here we can see a drop shipping Alibaba official. So you have to click on here and just click on add app. So when you will click on add app, then it will be added. So I'm using here temporary Gmail, so my mail is this. So simply I will just reload it one more time. So here we can see we have to just copy this mail for further. Okay, so we'll click on install app. So as you can see, my app has been installed. So it's logged in automatically, I think so. So we have to just minimize it. So here you can see the product list is loading till now. So we have to wait for a minute till it load. You can see here as we here is all the search. So as you can see, So if you want to search, like here, you can just go. So from here you can see. So to use this Alibaba, you have to first, like, here is a country selected to United States America. So currency is in dollars. Then we have to just import the product. So let us import this mobile, or we can just import this. This cost like about $42 here. So we can just sell it for $99. So it will be process time. So let's import this, and we can just import this fake iPhone. Okay, 114. So we can import this. As you can see, this is like cheap. So we can just go to our import list. So as you can see, these are our products. So we have to push it to our store. So to push the items to our store, we have to just click here at push to store. So we're asking for ID. So to get the ID, you have to just come to your home. So as you can see, you have to just see the ID. It's DC2474. So we have to just select the DC2474, then push to store. So it will be like pushed. So push to store. So select this ID and push to store. So it's pushing to store. So it will be pushed within a minute. As you can see, our phone has been pushed. So we have to go to our product and let us check. So as you can see, this have been pushed. So we have to wait for our another product. It's pushing till now. We can just wait. So it is also pushed. So this is how you can just add the products from your Alibaba dropshipping. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.